Hi everyone and welcome to Studio the Soy. My name is Lena and today's video is going to be another episode about polymer clay. Today I want to show you my own technique, how I create the play of colors using translucent clay. So let's get started. Also, if you want to support me and my channel, don't forget to hit the red button, like this video, leave a comment down below, and let's keep going. For this technique, I usually mix different types of translucent polymer clay, and today I'm going to be mixing even different brands and lines. And I'm using Cernit in a line of opaline and the translucent glitter. Also, I'm going to be using Sculpey in the regular white and translucent clay, and also the colored Fimo clay. Also, to create a nice effect, I'm going to be using the golden foil. I'm taking equal parts of all of the polymer clay and warming it up. Basically, it doesn't matter the amount of the different tones I'm using. What matters here is just the color that you really want to stand out. And as you can see, for my project, the white color is going to be one of the main ones, so that's why it's a little bit more of the white clay than the rest of the translucent colors. I also flatten all of the pieces pretty much in the same thickness. And now I'm adding the golden foil on top of the white clay. It sticks pretty good on its own. I usually don't add even the liquid clay. And now I just start mixing the layers. First I'm going with my white with gold. After that I'm applying the colored layer, and after that the shimmery white and just translucent colors, and then again just mixing them. And here's the bigger piece that I've got in the end, and now I'm slicing it into 3 parts, pretty much like on the same shape, attaching them together and keeping the pattern of the lines and shrinking it a little bit to make the lines thinner. Slicing this in half and again attaching 2 parts together. And when I'm happy with the result, I just start flattening the piece into the sheet. I usually don't run the pieces with the patterns through the pasta machines because most of the time it might ruin the pattern. So I'm just using the rolling pin. And now it's time to cut out the shapes. With the scraps, I'm again mixing them a little bit. Don't like go for too long, just a little bit to push all the colors together. Twisting the cane so all of the colors kind of going into one direction. For the smaller pieces, I'm usually using the plastic foil, applying this on top, avoiding the wrinkles, and then just using the cutter, cutting out the pieces, and after that removing the plastic wrap. I'm setting my pieces to bake. I'm baking small pieces like that for 30-40 minutes, and as usual I recommend to check the temperature on the packages of your clay and use the little thermometer that you can put into the oven to maintain the temperature. And here are my baked pieces. As you can see, colors has changed. That's, as I said, usually happens with the translucent clay, so it's not the same way that it looks when it's raw. Now I'm just sanding them, polishing, and after that I'm adding fastenings and bindings. And here's my final result. This collection came out to be like a bridal or spring inspiring with a lot of like fresh notes to it. Share with me in the comments if you like this tutorial and if you like how the earrings came out. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Share me in the comments below if you like my technique of creating the play of colors using translucent polymer clay. Thank you so much for watching, and we see each other in the next video.